Shoes. Now, every woman has a different leg shape, okay?
Yep.
Now, so I have found that if you've got a larger leg shape, like a larger calf muscle, then try and avoid the very, very skinny stilettos because it can emphasize the size of or the shape of that leg. Go with a block or a stacked heel. That tends to overall flatter your leg shape much more. All right, so the next one is if you've got skinnier sort of legs or much more of a slender shaped leg, then go with the slimmer type of heel because again, it just helps to just complement your leg shape a bit more. There is the wedge, which is universally flattering on everybody's type of
and
body.
comfortable
And
good
very,
for your
very
arches.
comfortable. So
look at me wagging my finger like your mama.
To remember. Okay, and so my last one. Okay, this is probably one of my favorites. This is about saving money and going with shopping in your own clothes and your own wardrobe and just thinking about how to make something better that you already own. So I have a shirt. I need to take this off.
Fabulous. It's
my
like a
men's
velvet
jacket.
Yes, and the men's jacket from the men's suit that she bought in the men's department for like 1/5 the price you pay for it in the ladies.
And that's correct, I did. So this is a velvet shirt. It doesn't have to be. It can be a cotton shirt. I've done it with that too. So undo like a couple of the buttons.
Right.
And then, I just look in the mirror so you can see, I'm just bringing it up a little bit and then you just turn it into
Oh, what's up, Flashdance?
An off-the-shoulder blouse.
What?
Just like that.
One thing that curvy girls think they can never wear is
white.
All white, which I never understand. I think that all white is the chicest look. Camila Belle, Kendall Jenner, everyone wears all white on the red carpet. They wear it in the summer. They wear it in the winter.
It's just about not wearing it skin tight or like killing you,
Exactly.
Right?
So I
it
say
has to drape nicely, be
invest
tailored.
in a pair of white jeans that's a little bit thicker and a little bit more expensive, so it's not going to show the things you don't want to show people.
Exactly. And I love the tailored look. Your clothes do not look oversized. Your clothes do not look undersized.
Yes.
They're just right. That Goldilocks factor, I think, is a very big deal.
Yes. I think you have to fit it to your body and you have to feel comfortable. It's more about loving what you're wearing.
What you can envision yourself in.
Exactly.
That's a big point.
Yes.
Okay, next one. I was just telling you, my friend Donna loves this look where you're wearing, well, I don't know how to say it, no pants.
Yeah, it's a no pants look.
Where you're wearing like a sheer trouser or skirt, either or. My friend Donna lives in this look.
Yeah. I love to show leg, and I was trying to find a way to have a date night without looking, I don't know, just reinvent date night look a bit. So girls with big thighs were always told to cover up. I bought a dress, and I cut the lining right out, and then I got a high-waisted panty so that we're supported, and we just show a little bit of tummy, and we don't feel like we're wearing like a fishnet thing.
Nice.
Right?
It looks amazing in the photo.
Yes.
Amazing.
Great date night look. I love this.
This I love too. It's so like back in the day, like this.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
this looks like
glamorous.
Ava Gardner.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's glamorous. And the crop top, curvy girls, again, think, no, I can't show my stomach. I feel too uncomfortable. I like to show the sweet spot. I like to show above the belly button, below the bra line. Everyone's kind of toned in that weird area. I don't know why or how. Anyone can wear a crop top. Anyone can wear anything. And I think it's time that we just stop believing those old-fashioned rules and just start wearing what we love.
I love these girls. I can guarantee you they're going to be back as often as we can get them. These are my new rock stars. They're like the Avengers of fashion. Thank you to Karen and Katie. And for more information, head over to our website and we will link you up and hook you up with their blog.